Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Azurved Pratik. Today we are going to continue our series that is a Leetcode SQL to data Pyspark data frame. So before that you should have the prerequisite like you should have a Databricks community account, then you should have a Pyspark data frame basic level knowledge, then SQL basic level. Okay. So let's jump in Leetcode. Okay. So today we are going to proceed with the problem number 197, that is rising temperature. Okay, let me open this. Okay, so there is a column name weather in which there is a ID recorded in temperature. Three columns. So ID is a primary key. Okay, so we have to find all IDs with higher temperature compared to its previous date, yesterday's. So return the result table in any order. Okay, so here you can see in the below there is ID record date and temperature. Uh, so in the record date there is a temperature on the in the month of 2nd of Jan 2050. So there is a temperature 25. Then in third row there is a temperature 20. Then 4th of Jan, then 30. Okay, so we have to find the previous temperature. We have to compare the temperature with previous day. Okay, so here we are. Okay, in the right side I have already solved this problem with SQL. Okay. Here I have used lag function. Okay. So lag function actually gives you the value that is the previous column. Wait, let me open this. So here this SQL server provides a lag function which is useful in the case of current row values need to compare with the data values of previous record or any record before the previous record. Okay. The previous value can be written on the same record without uh, use of a self check. Okay. So lag is nothing but it actually returns the previous value. Here you can see in the under revenue is 4,40,000. So I have applied the lag on this revenue column. So, then we have to give the offset. Offset nothing but it is how much from value you have to take the previous value. Okay. So you will get on the revenue column. First value is a 0 because before that there is no values previous value 4,40,000. So we got 0. Then in second row we will get the previous value as here you can see. So this is the previous value of second row. Then according to that, then after that in third row we got the second row's previous value as a revenue. Okay, so lag function will return the previous value. Okay, uh, so let let directly jump to the data frame Pyspark. So let's check how to solve it. Okay, so here I have imported already the column the lag functions. Then after that I have imported Windows because we are using here Windows function lag. Then I have imported date time and date. In here I have created a table schema. In the table there is ID record date and temperature as you can see here also ID record date and temperature. Then I have input the value of data like first 1 2 3 4 there is a 4 rows. So here I have passed the date. So uh, it is a date function. Okay, so I have passed the values 2015 month of 1 Jan and date of 1. Okay, 1 Jan 2015 for 10 temperature, then 25. So according to this. Okay, so in here, okay, in explanation in 2015 0 to 2nd Jan the temperature was higher than the previous day, that is 10 is higher than 25. Okay, so that's why we get the values like. Okay, so this is the temperature 25. So if you use the lag function then you will get no in ahead of that the 10 values. Then on 20 you will get the 25 ahead of this. Then in 30 you will get 20. Okay, so you have to compare the previous day temperature is high, then you have to return this. Okay. So let me uh, write the data frame. So data frame here I'm going to use def dot with column. Here I'm going to create a one new column. that is next yesterday temperature. Okay, yesterday temp. Okay, here I am going to use the lag function. Okay, so lag, let me first display the data frame. Wait. Okay, so this is the data frame. Here are the IDs, record date and temperature are columns mentioned. So let me, so I'm going to use the lag function on the record date. Okay, record, let me on the column record date. Okay, then I'm going to pass the offset one because we are want to value of previous one. Okay, after that I'm using the over function. Okay, in the over function I am actually using the window function, windows. So let me write first here window. So we want according to the we want the order in the ID and the based on ID. So window dot order by based on the IDs. Okay, so we want the result in order by on the based on the ID. So I'm giving the ID. I'm going to pass in window. Okay, let me check data frame with column. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here, sorry, we have to give the column name here. Temperature. Okay, so we get the values in the like which this is that is yesterday temperature. We got a one column name that is yesterday temperature. Then you have we got the values on the previous cell like here in id of 10 there is a null value because there is a no previous value. Then in id of 25 there is a previous day value like a first gen. We got a 10, then the 25, then okay. So we have to compare this value, this temperature and the yesterday temperature. Okay, if the if the today's temperature is higher than yesterday temperature, then we have to return this value. Okay, so in that here there is a on second ID second gen there is a temperature was minimum, and in the the fourth column rows there is a previous day temperature, it is a minimum. Okay, so we will get a result like 2 and 4. Okay, add is 2 and 4. Okay, because the current temperature is higher than the previous one. So I'm going to filter here, filter column temperature, that is the current temperature is greater than previous one. So I'm taking the previous column, nothing but it is yesterday YAST, yesterday temperature. Okay, so let's check now. Okay, so we got the IDs 2 and 4, the temperature 25, so it is higher than previous one. So I'm going to select only IDs, or you can drop other IDs, other columns. So here I'm going to select ID. Okay, so we got the desired expected result, that is IDs 2 and 4. Okay. So if you guys like the video, if you like the video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Till the day, thank you. Yeah, and also I will provide this Databricks, notebook in my description, so you can find it from GitHub. Till the day, thank you.